will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming through. Make the ocean take your boat today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.
So, tell us who you are and how long you've been doing this for.
My name is Jonas Iglesias. I'm out of Orlando, Florida. I started making knives full-time in 2016. Before that, I did it part-time for about a year. And I do everything handmade, no CNC, everything's manual, one at a time. These are some of my models. This is the bolt.
Now that's San Mai.
This is the Armor Core San Mai. This is zirconium. This is some vintage Westinghouse.
Yeah.
Titanium liners. Everything is blind screwed from the inside.
Wow.
This is my Fang model.
Gravity check.
This is Stellite 6K San Mai, vintage Westinghouse scales with Zircotai liners. This is another Bolt model, the same vintage Westinghouse. With,
now that's a really neat pattern on that.
Yeah, that's Mike Norris Fire Clone 2.
Wow, that's really great. Well, thank you so much for spending time with us and getting to know you. And please do check out, now what is your company's name?
JIKnives.
JIKnives. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
And have a nice day.
Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all. The 82nd way.